Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Collins and it's a continuation of our previous tutorials. So today we'll be learning how to use a flowchart to convert a flowchart into a full functioning computer system. So we'll be using this flowchart today for the practical. We're going to convert this flowchart into a full functioning computer program using C++. So let's begin immediately. I hope my fonts are bold enough for you to see. So just go to File, New. I'm using a Dev CPP Compiler IDE integrated development environment. So I go to New File, Source File. So this will create a new source file for me, and I'm going to save it and name it. So we're going to start immediately. Let's put this side by side. Okay. So first of all, we have to begin our program by including the header, and we're going to type hash include string using namespace std close. So main function in main, and now the program is set to go. So we have to begin immediately, and the first command here is get quantity of apple. So this is actually a program that helps us to calculate if a user purchased apple, we calculate and print out the total price. So we have to get the quantity of apple that the user purchased, and after that we have to put the unit price, and we do the calculation here, and then we print the total. So let's begin with creating the variables for these objects. So get quantity of apple, and we have to create a variable for it, and this should be integer. Say int quantity of apple. It's kind of too long, so I just say qty of apple, so that can stand for quantity. And the next variable we have is price purchased. Price purchased, we can put it as double. And the total cost, we can put it as double as well. So instead of here, I just total cost. Yeah, I think that's all. And maybe let's put name. So name, we can use a string. So that's all for the variables, and we have to start writing the program now. First of all, we have to get the quantity of apple that the user purchased, and we can say cout hello, hi there. What is your name? So hi there, what is your name? And we are going to say cin name. And then the next one is cout hello name. Please key in how many apple you purchased. Yeah, key in how many apple you purchased, and cin quantity of apple, and cout. So cout hi there, what is your name? This is going to ask the user the name. It's just an additional feature. So the user is going to use this cin name to key in their name, and cout hello. This after the user has keyed in their name, the system will be able to collect their name and store it in the memory. And the system will say hello, then the name. If your name is John Doe, it will say hello John Doe, please key in how many apple you purchased, and key in how many apple you purchased, and this function will help the user to key in the quantity of apple that the user purchased. And after the user has keyed in the quantity of apple, and we'll have to get the unit price here. So the system administrator has to key in the unit price of this apple. So we have to say how much does one apple cost? So cin price purchased. So this is going to help us to get the unit price of every apple in the store, and the total cost. So we have to calculate the total cost now, and we can say total cost equals to quantity of apple times price purchased. So this is going to help us to calculate if the user keys in the quantity of apple they want and key in the unit price, the system is going to calculate the apple, the total cost by the unit price. So it will be basically, this is the formula, the unit price times how many apple you purchased. So it's going to help us to print the total of the cost of what you bought. So after that, we're going to say, after we finish the calculation, we are going to now print the total cost for the apple purchase, and we're going to say cout your total apple purchase cost is total apple purchase cost is total cost. End line. This NEL means end line. So now we have to close the program first. So we have to say return 0. This is going to help us to clear the memory and tell the program that we are done. So first of all, you see that you say from the flowchart, you will see we have start, and start is basically the header of the program. So, and we have to get the quantity of apple, but before then we have to declare our variables so that we can use them to build our program. So, and the next one is get the price purchased. So after we've gotten the name, which is additional feature, and the quantity of apple that the user purchased, and now we have to get the price purchased, which is the unit price. And after that, we do the calculation, which is the total cost, and then we'll print out the total. So this is how to print out the total. So we can add additional function here. We can say hello name. So this is going to mention the name of the user. Your total apple purchase cost is total cost. So this is going to compile our program. Let's so you see that we have fulfilled all the laws in this flowchart, and we have been able to use this flowchart to build a fully functioning computer program using C++. So now we are going to compile it and see if our program is going to compile. And first of all, we compile. So we have to name it here. We have to name it as a tutorial. And save. So the program is compiling. As you can see, it finished compiling. So you see compilation results, errors, 0. We got 0 errors, we got 0 warnings, and this is file root. This is the size and the compilation time. It took about 4.02 seconds to compile. So I'm going to run the program and see if it's going to run now. But because of this IDE is not functioning properly, I'm going to use another compiler to run the program and see if it's running. So we're going to copy it. So we're going to compile our program here because this compiler is working, but the other one is not working. So we're going to compile and run at the same time. So you can see here, hi there. What is your name? So if I say that my name is CWTE and enter, you say, hello CWTE, please key in how many apples you purchased. So you see that there's no space here and there's no space here. So we are going to correct that now. So hi there, what is your name? So we put a space here. Put in name, say hello, then put space here, yes, and yeah, done. So after finished, and let's run it again and see if it's going to run. So it's not running. Hi there, what is your name? So my name is CWTE, and enter. Say hello CWTE, please key in how many apples you purchased. So key in how many apples you purchased. I'll say, okay, maybe I purchased 5 apples. So how much does 1 apple cost? I'll say, okay, 5 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. So say hello CWTE, your total apple purchased cost is 25 ringgit. So it's just writing 25 here without the currency prefix. So we are going to try to put the currency prefix and have it to declare it in the currency that we want. So I'm going to be using the Malaysian ringgit, and we're going to put a space here because it requires a space. So let's try again. Hello name. So it says, hi there, what is your name? And we'll put name, hello, the total apple test. So we'll put here, how much does an apple cost? We'll put here, and we'll put this. Hello name, your total apple purchase cost is, just put the currency here, any currency you want. So this should do it. So let's run again and see if it's going to work. Hi there, what is your name? My name is CWTE. And hello CWTE, please key in how many apples you purchased. I'll say that I purchased 5 apples. And enter how much does 1 apple cost. Maybe 7 ringgit. 1 apple costs 7 ringgit. So you can see, hello CWTE, your total apple purchase cost is 35 ringgit Malaysia, 35 RM. So for us to confirm this, we're going to use our calculator to calculate it manually to see if it's accurate. So we're going to use our calculator to calculate it and see if it's accurate. So we purchased a total of 5 apples, and the unit price for each apple cost 7 ringgit. So and the computer, the program gave us 35 ringgit for the total. So we're going to see if it's correct. So we are going to say 7 ringgit times 5 pieces of apple. So you see it's 35. So which means that it's correct and our program is running correctly. So that's how you build a fully functioning computer program using C++ from a flowchart. The next tutorial will be working on how to build a fully functioning program as well, using pseudocode, and the next one will be using algorithms. So that's how it goes on and on and on. So I hope you learned something today, and if you really enjoyed this, you can give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, you can give it a thumbs down. But do not forget to comment whatever you want us to do next, and whatever you feel like commenting. And like as well, share and subscribe if you're watching this from my YouTube channel. If you're watching from my Facebook, share, comment, and like. And thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Bye.